Threads app displaying the wrong language? Or are you unable to change the app language? Language issues can affect menus, recommendations, and your overall experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix language on Threads app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Threads. So it's up here on Threads app. And then here in this window, you will move to this sign of profile. So you will tap on this window here. Then you will move to above to this sign. To above, you will click here. As you see, we click here. Then you will move to more settings, and then you will go to language, and here you will change your language. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.